Previously on Cooking with Sindaco.
So this is called EBBEH, and I'm suspecting, as I said, this should be in Poto in Pihu in Ghana. But over here they use cassava. Amazing. Give me one like that. Well, I want more. So this is the second plate. It's nice. Wow. All coming. Hello brothers, sisters, here. So I'm in Gambia, yeah, the smiling coast of Africa, Gambia. And over here it's called Latria. Is it Latria? Okay, the local is called Latria. So today's recipe is a traditional indigenous food from the people of Gambia, and it's called PLASSAS. So this is PLASSAS. This is a unique recipe from Gambia. Raw peanuts, peanut butter itself, potato leaves, and now we have in Thai eggplant. Man, if I tell you the aroma over here right now, you have no idea about it. But then, I believe once you prepare this recipe at home, you will testify this for yourself. It's an amazing recipe. I believe it's more like a contemporary stew that we have in Ghana. But over here, they use potato leaves, as I said earlier. So let's go into this video and let me show you how this Gambian indigenous local food is prepared. So if this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. It's about time we showcase our local food to us Africans and to the world. What is this one called? Cassava leaves?
Yes, it's potato leaves.
Ah, potato leaves. Okay. And this one?
This is water leaf.
Ah, water leaf. Okay. Water leaf. Okay. And this one?
It's like months, you know.
Okay. So potato leaves is for for PLASSAS. Okay. So this potato leaves for PLASSAS, and as you can see, it's so fresh, very fresh. Because early in the morning, man, lots of it's over here. So when you buy, they chop the leaves for you. Okay, yeah, so that's what she's doing, and everything will tend to like that. So when you get home, everything's already made. So this is the ingredients for PLASSAS, and this is smoked fish. It's more like herring in Ghana, among the big ones, and this is the potato leaves chopped from the market. This is raw powder peanut, okay, and this is spring onion. This is Thai eggplant, it's bitter. This is green peas. This is pepper, and this is wele, cow skin. They call it cow kanda, and this is peanut butter. So basically, this is the ingredient for the PLASSAS, okay, and red oil also. We also have our chaku over here. So how much is this chaku? How much is one? $25 dollars. Okay. This is orange peels, or the skin, and they dry it over here and they use it as a chaff to light up charcoal, the fire. So in Ghana we use the mefi, okay, the chaff from the palm tree. Yeah, you use that one too, but they use this one too as well. I never knew you can use. Wow, amazing! That's why it's good to travel and see. Anyway, amazing.
Then you put it out to the wind.
The wind will blow it. So this is the pot that we're using for the PLASSAS. Okay, so we first add in our water.
This one has to go on the fire. The leaves, I wash them separate.
Okay, so we're boiling this water. Okay, so this is our potato leaves. In Ghana, I don't think we eat potato leaves, but over here they eat potato leaves. They eat, what's that leaves again? Hibiscus flower. No, hibiscus leaves.
The water leaf, the one we saw in the
market. And also the water leaf as well. They eat a lot of leaves over here.
So you people, which one do you use? We don't use
no potato leaf. No, don't eat potato leaves.
So what do you use it for?
We only use cocoyam leaves, that's it.
Wow.
Yeah, cocoyam leaves. But when you go to the northern part of Ghana, they eat a lot of leaves. But the southern part, the central, the southern, we don't eat a lot of vegetable leaves.
Yeah, we like leaves. So.
Okay, so we have our water on fire. Okay. So we're about to separate our leaves from the water. Okay, so it goes inside the sieve over here. Okay, with the hose to get them. So every country and the unique way they prepare their food, and since that's the indigenous and the traditional food they have in the country, they hold it high esteem, and this is one of them. As I said, this looks like our cocoyam dip or stew we have in Ghana, contemporary stew, but using different leaves to prepare this because they have red oil over here as well. And it is what it is, So this is cow kanda, right? Yes. Wele. or pomo. I think the northern part of Ghana, they call it ganda or something. Yeah, like that.
Plassas like togate and for nasiman bo moneka sulumai toge sumanare one lan la indika to wala la gana bu Gambia dama wone plassas dibi tay bu mo biire sax suma halate suma dem marché lan lay togo plassas ngir lan baxna ci yaram bi. Plassa is good for the body, it's healthy.
Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes when you even go to the hospital, they will even ask you to do plassas.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Because of the leaves?
The leaves and also the granule that you have there.
The raw one?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's good for the health. It's good for the health. It's a very healthy food. Even when I was pregnant, when I go to antenatal, they would say, eat plassas. Immediately they mention, I said, in my mind, I'm like, don't mention. It's in my mind.
Okay, so the raw peanuts is good for the, okay.
It's good for the body health.
Wow.
But the leaves too.
Amazing, the potato leaves.
Amazing, yeah.
Man, we should start eating certain food, leaves in Ghana also.
So now that the water is boiling,
okay.
I'll put in the peanuts, and the granite.
Okay,
and
so
allow it to
boil and simmer.
To boil.
Okay. So this is our what do you call it? Raw peanuts.
Yeah.
And it goes inside the boiling water. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow. So is this soup or stew?
It's not stew. I believe it's soup.
It's soup. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you stir it and allow it to mix well before putting in your leaves. Okay. If not, it will kind of be sticky together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think there's peanut stuck over the
yes,
side.
This is the reason why you have to allow it to mix very well before putting in your leaves.
Okay. So does it mean that you let it boil until oil come on the surface?
No.
No. Okay.
Immediately it boils. You know, people have different way of cooking it.
Okay.
Yeah, some when they are cooking it, they will not even put this water. They will put the palm oil. Okay. Then they will fry the leaves inside of it. Okay. Yeah, but I prefer doing it this way so that it will be well cooked.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the leaves will be properly cooked.
Oh, okay. Wow. Plassas.
Yeah.
How many tribes do you have in Gambia?
Mandinka, Diola. You have Cyril here. Bambarang, Sarahules, Manjago.
Okay, so like 8. You mentioned like 8.
Yes, so, like 8. Let's see.
Okay, so what was it? So that's the wele.
Yes.
The wele or the cow skin.
Kanda. Oh yes. In Gambia we say cow kanda.
Cow kanda.
Yes, you put it in.
So where is it originally from?
I think these Sierra Leoneans they like it. I don't think originally Gambia has this.
I say from Sierra Leone.
I don't know actually where it's from, but I don't think it's original Gambia food.
Gambia food, yes. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, Jolas, they have a way of doing it.
Jolas,
yes.
Okay.
I can even maybe lace it to them because they have a way of
preparing
doing this here.
Okay.
But not with this leaf. They have other leaves that they use.
Okay.
Yes. If they also use moringa leaves.
Moringa leaves.
You know moringa leaves. It's very healthy.
Good, yeah.
So most times we can also cook it for plassas.
Oh, okay. Yes, so cassava leaves, moringa leaves, potato leaves.
Potato leaves. There is one we call here boloj.
Boloj.
And one we call morongo.
Morongo.
Moronjambo.
Okay.
It's very good.
Since I'm doing this, it's something that we other African countries we also emulate or learn certain ways these people or other African countries cook or they use their ingredients. There are lots of these leaves we have in Ghana, so but most Ghanaians don't eat this kind of food. So it's something that we can all learn across Africa. Okay, not necessarily only one country. It's like if something is healthy, you need to adopt and also start learning the lifestyle of those people.
Yeah, now it's well mixed, so you can add in.
Okay, so now it's well mixed. It goes in like that. Wow. Plassas. Wow. So which ingredient is called a plassas?
The stew itself, the soup itself is called plassas, yes. Okay. But it's because of the leaves.
Okay.
So you allow it to mix well.
Yes, well, yeah.
Yes. Because the leaves also have some water.
Oh, yeah, yes. Sure.
So immediately you start boiling, it will.
Man, the process and how it looks like bitter soup we have in the northern part of Ghana. Yeah, bitter soup, they use hibiscus leaves to do it. Very nice recipe. Wow, look at that. Man, the aroma coming. Too much flavor over here.
It's aroma in.
Yeah, too much flavor and aroma over here. Man, I can't wait to try this recipe. Damn. So you need to be stirring.
Stir, if not, it will sit.
Yeah, it will bend under. Wow.
So this is why this is what this page is about. Okay, showcasing our indigenous local food across Africa. So look at this recipe over here, man. You can also prepare some at home because the ingredients over here, you can get these ingredients anywhere in Africa, anywhere in West Africa, anywhere in Africa in general. Okay, so you can see this process, prepare some, and have this amazing meal for yourself and your family. Man,
this is Thai eggplant.
Yeah.
Yeah. We wash our eggplant, it goes inside like that. So this is PLASSAS, raw peanuts, peanut butter itself, potato leaves, and now we have in Thai eggplant.
Yeah, and the cow kanda is inside.
And the cow kanda also as well, which is wele or pomo. And we have this amazing recipe. Man, that aroma coming over here, god damn it. So when it's ready, right, you eat it with rice.
Yes.
Only rice.
But you can also prepare gari, like fufu.
Yes. Gari?
Yes.
Eba. You call it eba.
Yes, eba.
But do you have banku here?
Banku.
Yeah, like
there's only few Ghanaians that are here that can do
in banku.
Yes.
So what swallow food do you have in Gambia? Swallow
Gambia.
food.
If not the rice, there is a way they use the powder and make it like fufu sort of. Or the gari, you just put hot water and mix. Like myself, that's how I do it. When I cook PLASSAS and I want to eat it with swallow.
Okay. So you're about to blend this one?
Yes, I'll blend those ones.
Okay. So that is spring onion or skilling. It's also one healthy vegetable that you need it in your recipes. So basically this soup, when you are preparing, you need that your attention because if not, everything will burn under. So you have to be stirring time to time. Yeah. You hear the sound? This is the sound of the earthquake. We're about to blend our ingredients.
So as I keep saying always, Africa, our recipes, our local food is the best in the world. Man, if I tell you the aroma over here right now, you have no idea about it. But then I believe once you prepare this recipe at home, you will testify this for yourself. Organic meal going on over here right now. And I mean, it is what it is. So one pepper goes in. And as you can see, now it's thick. Okay. So that's one pepper. We'll be blending the other pepper with the spring onion and the bell pepper also. So our blended ingredient comes in. Now we have something like this. We stir everything. Man, it looks so interesting, really amazing. It's now time we take the scales from the fish, the smoked fish. Okay. How do you call this fish in it?
Here.
Yeah.
Smoked fish.
Yeah. How do you call it in the local language?
Chalsingo. That is Mandinka.
Madinga, okay.
Yes, Kobo Bulaka is Wolof.
Okay.
Yes.
So taking out the bones from it. So break down into pieces like this?
Yes.
Very little like this?
Yeah.
Wow. That's a different work altogether.
Yeah.
Wow.
There are some people. There are some people that sells it in the market, but they will do it like this for you. But you pay for it.
You pay for it, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
In case when you come home, you don't have time.
Okay, then
to
go
do
straight.
all this, yeah.
No, okay, yeah. Makes sense. So she'll be breaking all the fishes into pieces like this. Wow. Making sure that all the bones and everything are off. So
palm oil
we are now adding our palm oil to the PLASSAS. Very little?
Yes,
okay.
For now.
For now, okay.
Yes.
Wow. Man, look at this. God damn it. Wow. So we add salt inside. Wow. So after this, before the fish will come in?
Yes.
Okay. Our fish now goes in like that. And we mash everything inside. This is a unique recipe from Gambia. Wow. So is this an everyday food or once in a while you cook it?
My husband, if every day, if you have it, if you cook it every day, it's okay.
So which kind of food is a seasonal food? Like maybe when there's festive season, when there is what do you call it, a program? What kind of food are prepared in those kind of period?
Like in programs.
In programs, yeah.
Because it's benishing that.
Benishing, yes. Because that takes a long time to cook, so.
Yeah, benishing, I think it's even faster.
Really?
Yes, because you need one cooking pot.
Yeah,
to
for
do
everything.
to do everything.
Okay.
Yes. In programs, it's been now that they also initiated this pepper soup.
Oh, pepper soup.
Yes,
okay.
you know, the oil, not everybody also likes the oil.
Okay.
So when you do benachin oil, then pepper soup, people just roast to that pepper soup. They're not even going for benachin because of the oil.
Okay. So we have something like this, and we're almost done. Okay. So roughly, the stirring of the leaves took about like more or less like 20 minutes for it to cook well before the oil and everything was added, as so in the process. An amazing recipe, and as she said, you can use other leaves to prepare this plassas. So moringa, cassava leaves, potato leaves, cocoyam leaves, anything. Okay, so I believe my Ghanaian people will now try this as contumbi.
And this same thing too. You can cook it with palm oil, and you can also cook it with oil.
Put normal oil.
Yes.
Okay, normal oil. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Plassas from the smiling coast of Africa, Gambia, and it is what it is. So over here, most thing that, or the most thing that they eat with this is rice. Okay, or you can have gari. And what's this one?
Ogri.
Ogri.
Yes.
Ogri. So that's ogri. We don't know the English name, but it's called ogri. So if I Gambian, you know the English name for ogri, please let me know in the comment section. Okay. Yeah. So it gives a flavor.
Yes. To me, there's this type of food. Maybe you know it. It's yellowish.
Okay.
And
is it Gambian food?
No, it's not even food. It's like a fruit.
A fruit. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's always. Like
Yellow.
they say, like yellowish.
Okay.
But you have to peel it.
Okay.
And you soak it.
So that thing is ugly.
Well, that one is in my own, but this is ugly.
Ugly. And it gives flavor to the stew.
Yes.
So is this stew or soup?
Soup.
This is soup. Okay, this is soup. Okay. Basically, as you saw in the video, potato leaves was used to prepare this recipe, and this is Thai eggplant. Okay. And this is pepper, very big pepper, huge one. Okay, so let me put it up aside. And so you have wele inside and fish also. So let's take a bite, okay, to see how this PLASSAS tastes with the rice. Okay, avocado. Okay, so the peanut that was used to prepare this, like, has a major play in this recipe. Wow, I can feel the peanuts inside this. Yeah. Wow. Man, this is delicious. So no meat was added to this recipe, only fish and very little fish, and the rest is vegetable and the oil. Amazing.
Yeah, you can also add meat.
You can also add meat if you want. Okay. That's a choice. You can add meat to it.
The cow meat.
Any meat you want. Okay. As you say, any meat you can add it. Man, I've seen. I hope you enjoyed the video, and PLASSAS, very amazing recipe from Gambia, and I hope you can also enjoy or prepare the same thing. You can use the different leaves to prepare, as she said in the video. And man, for Shazam Manizo, it's about time we try our African recipes and also promote our food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. This is really delicious, and it's a must-try food that you need to try at home. Get the ingredient, try this for yourself, and for Shazam Manizo, let's meet again. Gambia Diaries, I'm out. One.